really excited to launch Grande Gusto into the marketplace. It has a lot of value within the food industry when we look at the applications of cheese sauces and cheese soups. It can provide cost reduction, sodium replacement, and improvements of texture and mouthfeel, which can add to the quality of the products and help our customers gain market share. So the key applications of cheese sauces and cheese soups are typically highly indulgent products within the food industry. And with highly indulgent products comes along with calories, fat, and sodium. One of the things that Grande Gusto can provide is the reduction of fat through the replacement of cheese in a cheese sauce or a cheese soup. Typically, we can replace somewhere around 30% of the cheese in those formulas. In addition, that comes along with that, because of the savory flavors that Gusto brings to a formula, is the reduction in sodium. And typically in cheese sauces or cheese soups, we can reduce sodium somewhere in the range of 10 to 20%. Sodium reduction continues to be a hot button within the food industry as consumers continue to have issues with high blood pressure and heart disease. And the FDA has actually put out regulations where they want consumers to reduce their sodium intake from about 34 milligrams a day all the way to 2,300 milligrams per day, which is a pretty big jump when you're talking about a 30% reduction. And a lot of food companies are focusing on different ways that they can reduce sodium in their products. And it becomes harder and harder when you're looking at indulgent products like cheese sauces or cheese soups. And Grande Gusto can be an excellent solution to help provide you with an opportunity to make a great tasting product that has great texture, mouthfeel, and still can meet the nutritional requirements of consumers.